Are we ready to mix? Let's do it! Ooh, look at them go! Yay, bubbles! So cute! Bubbles are great! Wait, something's wrong! Ah! Oof. What happened? Well, we didn't explode too much. Alright, time for green versus orange. Me first. A crab! Exciting! Huh? Don't eat me, Julie! Oh, the crab is talking to me. Why is it talking? I'm kind of freaking out over here. Whoa, Julie, are you okay? Julie, it's okay. Look, everything is fine. I think you just need to relax a little. I guess you're right. Well, what do you have? Time to find out. Oh, look! It's a frog! I love frogs. They're so cute! Come here, little friend. Aren't you just adorable? Look at your little face. Are you just a prince in disguise? I'll give you a kiss and find out. I wish my crab was as cute as Claire's frog. Wait, where did Claire go? Huh, where did that other frog come from? Aw, look how happy they look together. Come here, Krabby. Time for a smooch. Next challenge. Let's go! Ooh, look at these! Exciting! Tiny little gums shaped like fruit. They're so cute! Okay, let's give them a try. In my mouth you go! Mmm! I love me some chewing gum. Time to blow a bubble. Shoot, it didn't work. I'll try again. Woo! My bubble is huge! Ugh, Julie is so great. I gotta do something. Ah! Claire! How did you blow that bubble? Ah! Wait! That's not gum. Oops. Whoopsie. Nice try, Claire. But look, we have more gum. I'm just gonna shove them all in my mouth. Julie, are you sure that's a good idea? More gum means a bigger bubble. Julie! Julie! You're starting to float! Julie! You're flying away! Julie! Huh. It's kinda nice up here. Peaceful. Julie! Calm down! This is actually pretty fun. Uh-oh! Ah! Oh no! Here she comes! Ah! Gotcha! Phew! That was a close one. I don't think I'm gonna blow any more bubbles. Time for the next challenge. Hey, beans! Oh wait. Beans. Only 3 beans is kinda odd. I got an orange Fanta! Aw, not fair! Yeah, those beans look great! Time to drink this deliciousness! Ah, so refreshing and good! You know what? I've got a plan. That's a pot. With some dirt. In you go, beans! The dirt is nice and comfy. Now I'll just give them a little drink. Perfect! Now for the next step. What's the next step? Waiting! Come on, little beans! Well, what if beans like Fanta too? What can it hurt? Let's give it a try. Beans? Are you okay in there? The Queen of Beans passes judgment. Whoa, I fell asleep. Oh my gosh, it worked! It's an entire bean tree! Time to get climbing! Wow, I can see for miles! You know what? I get why birds like it up here. Wow, that was a nice nap. What? There's a bean tree here! Oh, Julie's awake! Hi, Julie! Hi, Claire? I can't believe her! She climbed the tree without me! That's it. Julie, what are you doing? No, Julie, don't! I shared my Fanta and everything! Time to start chopping. Whoa! Whoa! Everything's starting to shake! Get down here, you traitor! Oh no, I'm falling! Here she comes! I landed. Julie, this is your fault! Oops. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, let's see what this challenge is. Oh, this green juice is fancy. I've got a spicy sauce. Bottoms up! It smells good. I'm excited to try it. Oh, it tastes really good. Guess it's my turn. It smells flavorful. Holy cow, Claire! Ooh, yeah! I've got so much energy! Yes! I'm off! Claire? Gonna run these stairs and do some punches at the same time. Fitness is great! I love fitness! Hi, Julie! Well, might as well try my drink. Oh my gosh, so spicy! On your mark, get set, go! I'm winning the race. No one can beat me. Ah! So spicy! What the heck? Julie? Julie? Phew. Darn, that girl can run. New challenge! We're ready! Blah! What's this? What am I, a goat or something? What? No fair! Yours is so much prettier! Claire, look how cute I am! They're edible, too. And fresh. Huh. Well, okay then. Guess I'll give mine a try. Munch! Just like the goats do. Ugh, this tastes just fine. Ugh, so gross! Get it out of my mouth! Look! I can put the flowers in my hair, too! Oh, it's so pretty! You know what? Maybe I can do something with mine. I'll just put a sprout up here. A couple more won't hurt, I guess. There we go! I'm cute now, too! Ta-da! I feel like a flower queen! Holy wow, that's amazing! Well, yours is nice too, Claire. The flowers smell so good. Ugh! Bugs! Get out of here! I said get out of here, bugs! I'll help you, Julie! Those stupid bugs and bees attacked me! Ouch! Oh, Julie, maybe don't look in a mirror. Well, look, don't feel too bad. I think this'll help you feel better. Maybe. Would you rather face the orange or green challenges? Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to 123 Go Challenges YouTube page for more great videos like this one!